In this tutorial, we'll be reviewing American Shield Home Warranty. So let's get started. American Home Shield is one of the leading home warranty providers in the United States. But like any service, it has its pros and cons. Here's a summary of what people are saying about AHS based on reviews from various sources. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and look at the pros, and then we're gonna go ahead and look at the cons. So the first pro is wide range of coverage. Now AHS, which is short for American Shield Home, offers three different plans that cover major system and appliances in your home, from basic plumbing and electrical to premium plans that include things like pools, refrigerators, and even roof leaks. So they have wide range of coverage. That's the first point. Now let's go ahead and look at the second one, which is established reputation. AHS has been in the business for over 50 years, giving them a long track record and experience in home warranty industry. So they have established reputation. The next point is convenient service. AHS makes it easy to file a claim online or by phone, and they typically send a qualified technician within 24 to 48 hours. So, they have a very convenient service. The next one is no claim limits. Unlike some other home warranty companies, AHS has no claim limits on covered repairs or replacements. No claim limits. So, alright, guys, that is it for the pros. Let's go ahead and look over the cons. Now, let's go ahead and talk about cost. Now, AHS plans can be expensive with monthly premiums ranging from around $60 to $100 or even more. So, it can be expensive. The second one is coverage exclusions. There are a number of exclusions in the AHS plan, so it's important to read the fine print carefully before you buy. For example, pre-existing conditions, normal wear and tear, and cosmetic issues are typically not covered. So, coverage exclusions. The next one is difficult to cancel. Some customers have reported difficulty canceling their AHS plans. So if you have booked it, it might be difficult for you to cancel it if you don't need it anymore. Difficult to cancel. The next one is mixed customer service experience. While some customers report positive experience with AHS customer service, others have had negative experience with long wait times and unhelpful representatives. So it has a mixed customer service. Now, overall, American Home Shield can be a good option for homeowners who are looking for comprehensive coverage and peace of mind knowing that their major systems and appliances are protected. However, it's important to be aware of the cost, exclusions, and potential for difficulty canceling before you buy. It's also a good idea to get quotes from other home warranty companies before making a decision. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.